Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I'm back on Yuko today because yesterday it was messing up and kept saying something about error in his deck or something while I was playing Ultra Guys. So I had to play DB instead. It was fine. I'm gonna use this to beat out Ash. No, no Ash. Cool. I obviously opened really well. So I'm gonna pop this and pop this to get it out of my hand, obviously. One, two, three. What am I playing against? Orcus? Huh. Yeah, what's in this? Yep. So an ultimate conductor, giant Rex, special back, giant Rex. Miscellaneous Dinosaurs. Summon back another baby. I'm just like doing like as much as humanly possible. You know what? I think I'm just gonna make a Logia and then pass after that. I think that that should be good. Can I use that now? And then I'll summon this. So I have a good target to pop. So that was a good turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't plus at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, yes, I did. I plussed 2. Well, that sucks. I actually should have logged it, but oh well. I actually should have negated the Trigate. That looks badass. Okay. He's trying to out it so hard. He's trying so hard to out this, but you know, after hitting so many cards in the extra deck, you know, it's hard. Also, I can always come back with a double evolution pill in a minute, so he just set that up for me. So, yay! Well, this isn't gonna go the way he's hoping it's gonna go. I promise you. I promise you guys, this isn't gonna be as great as he thinks it is. He's probably playing it out in his head. How can I out Ultimate Conductor? Because without the outing of the Ultimate Conductor, he's gonna lose the game. Also, I did misplay. I should have negated the trade in. Yeah, he would have still. I could log in, negate, change the name of Pterosaurus, and still got the protection effect. I did that wrong, but it's fine. He was probably gonna outlog it anyway because he couldn't have. But he wouldn't have gotten the draw off of it, I guess. So, yeah, it's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Somehow he meant -1. Well, not -1. Oh, because he was gagging me. I took a card out of his hand. Cool. Is he there? What is he doing? I have no idea. He's probably thinking. I just don't know what to say. Uh, like, I don't want to be quiet during my video. I want to talk to my audience and whatnot, but it's like, honestly, even though I missed it, I still in it with a pretty good board. Also, uh, next turn, on this turn, actually, I could, I'm just thinking out loud here. Ultimate Conductor, Pop Baby Pterosaurus, Sodium Oviraptor, search, I don't know, Triano Infinity, or Miscellaneous Pterosaurus, because I have some dinosaurs in my grave. Okay. So here's the deck profile for you guys. So two Ultimate Conductor. I used to play three, and I thought about playing the third one. I just one can't find room for it. Two, I think it'd be a bit tricky at three, so two, it's fine. One Overtech, one Dinosaur Prankatop, one Triangle Infinity. This card is a off and on type thing for me, but I do like it. Like because like if you miscellaneous Stegosaurus for four, which obviously isn't hard, that's a 4K beat stick right there. That's pretty beefy by itself, you know. So three Silver Raptor for obvious reasons, three miscellaneous, one Giant Rex, one Alio. Alio is something I've thought about cutting, and I've still thought about cutting it. It just isn't that great anymore without the need for single summoning. So three Baby Pterosaurus, but it is a fire by the way. So one Pegatron, one him, three Adidas, one Monster Reborn, one Foolish, three Lost World, one Gigantic Diagram, one Set Rotation, one Terraforming, three Fossil Dig, one double Evolution Pill, one double or nothing, three Pot of Extravagance, three Call by the Grave. For the extra deck, you have one Doka, one Doka, one Logia, one number 39 Utopia the double. Then go with that. One number 39 Utopia. One that goes to Emerald to shuffle stuff back, draw power, whatever. One True King of all calamities, because it's a pretty good card. Try more Phoenix. Nightmare Phoenix, sorry. Nightmare Serapis, Nightmare Unicorn, one Link Karibo, one IP Miscellaneous, Masquerina, one Abaluza, one Boar Load, one Boar Sword, one Boar Sword, one Skull Dread. And then for the side, we have 1, 2, 3, Winged Dragon of War Spear Mode, 1, 2, 3, Nibiru. I do not want to lose the Orcus, so and then to go along with that, you have double mind control. Okay, and then on top of all of that, three Dark World no more. Of course, it's good against other decks, not just you know Orcus, but yeah. So a bunch of ways out that, and then for that control deck like Ultra Guides, one red reboot, and then I main deck side deck into three evenly match. I thought about main decking three evenly, and then side decking three lightning storms. That's an option, but so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I will catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo signing out. I hope you have a great night. Bye.